Total shutdown paralyzes life. One JESSIA cadre killed, 2 hurt in on a factional gunfight. And death toll from Typhoon Hagibis in Japan reaches 61, 13 people still missing. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You're watching News Today. I'm JESSIA giving you the news in details. The 12-hour Manipur total shutdown call given by CORCOM, a conglomerate of valley-based militant outfits, has crippled normal life in the state. The shutdown evoked total response, reports said. Educational institutions and commercial establishments remain shut in Imphal city and other parts of the state. Roads were a deserted look this morning. No untoward incidents were reported. The total shutdown is in condemnation of the Manipur merger agreement, which was signed between Maharaj Bodha Chandra of Manipur and Government of India in 1949. The outfit observes October 15 as Black Day every year to register protests against the merger agreement, which the outfit said was signed under duress.
The 12-hour ban called by the proscribed militant group in Manipur, protesting the forceful merger of Manipur into the Indian Union, widely affected the normalcy in the state. Road remained deserted and most commercial establishments remained closed. With video journalist Ojin Mangsatabam, this is Hemchandra Shagolsem reporting for Times of Manipur, Imphal.
The Manipur shutdown, called by different underground groups to observe Black Day, also affected normal life in Jiribam district today. Due to the shutdown, passenger service on the Imphal-Jiribam highway was suspended. Commercial establishments and educational institutions remained shut in the district amid tight security measures. However, no untoward incidents were reported. One cadre belonging to militant group Jallarong United Front, JESSIA, was killed and another 2 were injured during a reported factional gunfight in the wee hours today, a report said today. The incident happened at the intersection of Subung and Taulinpung village under Kaupum police station in Nonit district. Reportedly, the deceased cadre has been identified as Abua Pumai of Puichi Kul, while the injured were identified as Santos Longmai and Thomas of Rangjang. The death toll from the Typhoon Hagibis in Japan has reached 61, while 13 people are still considered missing. Over 200 people have been injured, media reports said. The death toll from Hagibis is considered to be one of the most destructive typhoons in the country's recent history, previously stood at 58. Hagibis struck Japan on Saturday, bringing with itself torrential rains and heavy winds, with river going out of banks causing massive floods across the country. Chiba Prefecture was even hit by a tornado. As many as 138,000 houses in 13 prefectures remain without water, while 34,000 houses remain without electricity, according to the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry. Centenary commemoration of the Anglo-Kuki War was observed at the office of Hill Tribal Council, Moray, today. The glittering function was attended by village chief, CSO leaders, church leader, MDCs and residents of Moray town. A memorial stone of Anglo-Kuki War was unveiled by Reverend Ngam Hau Tautang, chairman of Moray Pastor Fellowship. Speaking at the program, member of ADC, Genevia Haukip stated that the Anglo-Kuki War is not a concocted history. It is clearly recorded in the history and found even in some and London libraries. There is nothing to fear in remembering and celebrating the legacy left by our forefathers, as it is neither against any other community nor the government. It is an event commemorating the sacrifice made by our ancestor, Haukip said.
Few points of the Anglo-Kuki War 1790 na kilso. Eho adinga history atu Waisi what abola tichu lekhabua uma kisun Assam government report elole London report na library upon tikia
Now it's time for a short break. Coming up next, we have news on a 15-day state-level Prime Minister Employment Generation Program Exhibition 2019 kick-off at Imphal.
Diwali amasung Ningol Chakobana lakpaga iroinana Sangai Honda na festival asida Honda cars ki ahenba discount sing pizari. Hauzik lariba Honda cars ki discount sing adudi Honda Amaze up to 42,000, Honda Jazz up to 50,000, Honda WRV up to 45,000, Honda City up to 62,000, Honda VRV up to 1,10,000, Honda Civic up to 2,50,000. Honda CRV up to rupees 5 lakh. Attractive oiraba discount sing asi lakliba October 19 gi mangoinana lawbi hogadabani. Discount sing asi gidamak terms and conditions khara laizai loinana madik charaba servicing center su laizari. Akupa marol gidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Sangai Honda Ghari Airport Road Imphal Manipur.
Takadoriba Ningol Chakobada set innabagidamak quality lairaba ahongba mamalda pinabagidamak sem saduna lairaba Nagamapal Ima Kaithel opposite ki first floor da laiba Showers Boutique showroom inat ki oiba apama makhal gi firol suna phangadaba showroom loinana Christian singi wedding da seasonaba wedding gown su mafam asida phangbigan
nupi gakdagi natana angang sing amadi jeans ki pants shirt half pant coat vest coat kurta pajama faijom kurkur faijom amadi ready made faijom makal suna phangawa mafam Yam nueva pao mana mafam masida adom adom ge apama design kuding makki order sulokjari amtang lengsin biro khwai Brahmapur Nagamapal Ima Kaithel gi opposite gi fast floor da leriba Showers Boutique
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yumpalabi, ahal oiraba imasing na set payaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasimag lengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirangkhom Sawgaizam Lairak Machin, natraga aikoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Welcome back after the break. A 15-day state-level Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program Exhibition 2019 was opened at the complex of Khadi and Village Industrial Board by Chairman of MHHDC and Planning Board Manipur S. Rajan Singh. Beside S. Rajan Singh, the inaugural function was also attended by Chairman of MKVIB and MPCB Manipur, L. Radhakeshwar Singh, and State Deputy Director of MKVIB, Saleh Ashali Pao. Ranjan said that people must use indigenous handloom products for a sustainable economic growth. He announced that a handloom mall will be open at Panthoibi Arcade, Wangkai for the coming Ningol Chakoba Festival.
Imung amada season nariba mi amada season nariba pothok mayam ama khadi je so many item mayam ama khadi je ngasidi melada khadi na training pirakanda khadi na paikhatpa scheme gi makada khadi board na paikhatpa scheme gi board gi makada mayam ama tawraga ngasidi akoi angakpa tongan ba bazar khoiramal kaithenda machan suna yonba dumaina khadi board se scheme machan suna paikalaga mioi bana hingbada changba pot mayam ama paikalam na ju da aingonda tasengna surprise ama oye banga sigi mela sai urukan.
Free coaching classes for Class 10 students conducted by Social Development Organization SEO Moirang Kuno at Loyalam Public School Moirang Kuno Sabal Laikai came to an end today. A simple function was held at the venue wherein certificates were distributed to students who participated in the coaching class. Adaksha of Bishnupur Jilla Parishad Dr. Romabati Larijam, Upadaksha and Dinesh and others were present at the event. Bishnupur Jilla Parishad Adaksha Dr. Ramabati Larinjam stressed on the importance of extracurricular activities for the students and good discipline. Gifts were also presented to all the teachers who took part in the free coaching classes given to 124 students from different parts of the district.
Mama mapa singnadi cha singbu kanana bani haiduna kanna honajaba adubu samaj asida amorpa phattaba chinja kaya machi da pusanarapa ikoi pomna makhongaraba ngaptani adugumlaba phattaba chinja sing aduga samnaba marup mapang singa loina danaba makhoi aduna phanayamna hairappa leiragasu nakhoida ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯐꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯞꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ.
A 3-month free rehabilitation program was kicked off at WAL United Youth Club Community Hall, Wangkai Angom Laikai. The rehabilitation program is organized by Drug Rehabilitation Center Unit Manipur Private Drumpy. President of Drumpy, Karam Rosie, said that program will give benefits to drug addicts. She added that Drumpy will give special attention to the needy and drug users who have been neglected by their families. Under the program, 50 persons will be given the chance to have screening tests till October 20. Coordinating body CRI has expressed opposition to the state government's move to legalize cannabis cultivation in the state. This was informed in press release from the umbrella body of different CRI-based organizations. A case has been filed against the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party MLA Goruk Pordung for allegedly raping a woman, media reported. The Bameng constituency MLA Goruk Pordung has reportedly raped a married woman at the Itanagar Hotel on October 12. In her complaint, the woman said that Bameng had called her to the hotel at 8 p.m. as he wanted to discuss matters relating to the Bameng Primary Health Center, where she is an employee. However, he soon started molesting her, the complaint stated. He eventually went on to rape her, threatening her to dire circumstances if she disclosed it to anyone. Police say that a case has been filed. However, a counter-complaint has also been registered by the MLA, and a probe is on to determine whether it was a rape case or a consensual extramarital affair. Assam Finance Minister alleged that the highest number of minority people died during the Tarun Gogoi-led Congress regime in the state. Congress was in power in Assam between 2001 to 2016, with Tarun Gogoi as chief minister for 3 consecutive terms. During a campaign rally in the minority-dominated Jania yesterday, Biswas Sarma said the Congress way is to frighten the minorities and get votes. It is during the Congress rule that communal clashes took place. Congress creates fear and rules. Biswas Sarma stated that across the country, the highest number of minority people died in Assam during the 15-year rule of Tarun Gogoi. Northeast Indian leaders from across the political aisle paid homage to former President APJ Abdul Kalam on his birth anniversary today. Arunachal Chief Minister paying his homage to the departed leaders on Twitter, Khandu stated that Kalam was an embodiment of compassion, wisdom and strength, and was an inspiration to the entire nation, media reported. Paying tribute to the Bharat Ratna, Assam Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal wrote on Twitter that Kalam, through his words and works, has inspired millions across the globe to believe in their dreams. Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju also wrote that he is joining the entire nation in remembering the former president on the occasion of his birthday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today remembered former President APJ Abdul Kalam on his birth anniversary. India salutes Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji on his Jayanti, Modi tweeted. Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Nupi ekhoigidi khongthang khuding seksiningai ngaktani mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudong thiningai atumak oi Manipur da ahan boina iramda masida sajaba ningol khudo adubu ngasidi akhoi Chinganingai oidre. Aikhoigidamak Bright Enterprises ki Ningo Khudo.
US Pizza and Fried Chicken at Sangai Pro. For us, food is about taste and delicious choices, but at affordable prices. Fresh dal with a high wheat content, fresh vegetables and chicken make our food special and healthy. We have 3 types of pizza crust to offer you. A wide variety of fried chicken items, burgers, garlic breads, pastas and mocktails await you. Come to US Pizza and Fried Chicken for delicious belly-filling portions at pocket-friendly prices. And yes, we are kid-friendly too, so bring your kids and enjoy with them. Come, taste the best pizzas in town and a host of other food items at US Pizza and Fried Chicken, Sangai Pro.
Welcome back after the break. Tripura police raided the CPIM party state headquarters at Melarmat in search of former minister and President MLA Badal Chowdhury, who has been absconding. The police also searched for several party officials across the state, a media report said. However, Badal Chowdhury is granted interim bail till October 16 by District and Session Judge Satyajit Datta Purokyashat. Despite this, he is still absconding. It may be mentioned that on Sunday night, the state government lodged an FIR against former Minister Badal Chowdhury, former Chief Secretary Yaspal Singh and former Chief Engineer of PWD Sunil Bhaumik. The police arrested Chief Engineer Sunil Bhaumik on Sunday night and was lodged in the West Agartala police station. Chief Engineer Sunil Bhaumik was also produced to court on Monday and sent to judicial custody to be produced in the court again on Tuesday. Margaret Atwood and Bernardine D. Evaristo jointly won the 2019 Booker Prize after judges defined the rules by declaring a tie. British Indian novelist Salman Rushdie's tragic comedy Quichoti was among the 6 books shortlisted for the prize. The Booker rules say the prize must not be divided, but the judges insisted they could not separate Atwood's The Testament and Girl Woman, uttered by Evaristo, who is the first black woman to win the prestigious award since its creation in 1969. Now we have the sports news. Shrikant Naorim of Manipur won a gold medal at the recently concluded 3rd Taiwan Cup International Kung Fu Championship 2019 held from October 6 to 12 at New Taipei City, Bankyo Gymnasium, Taiwan. Shrikant won the gold in juniors boys Chinese kickboxing. On the other hand, team coach Jugeswar Khatrimayum also won a gold medal in Daoshu, while Nitin Singla of Punjab and Ilan Richa John of Jharkhand clinched 1 bronze each in the championship, which was organized by Taiwan Kung Fu Federation under the aegis of International Kung Fu Federation, Beijing, China. United Youth's Progressive Organization Kukching and Manipur Ko-Sho Association expressed happiness and congratulated all the winners. Swiss tennis player Roger Federer said that he would play at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. As per reports, Federer, a 4-time Olympian, said, "At the end of the day, my heart decided I would love to play at the Olympic Games again." Federer made the announcement in Tokyo during an exhibition event for his Japanese uniform supplier. Earlier, Federer won doubles gold for Switzerland with Stan Wawrinka at the 2008 Beijing Olympics and silver in singles at the 2012 London Games at Wimbledon. Ukraine qualified to the Euro 2020 finals by defeating rival team Portugal in 2-1 home win over Portugal, whose talismanic captain Cristiano Ronaldo scored his 700th career goal in a Group B qualifier on Monday. Following the victory, Ukraine has now 19 points from 7 games, 8 more than second-place European champions Portugal, which has a game in hand. Third place Serbia is on 10 points from 6 games after an Alexander Mitrovic Brest gave it a 2-1 win at Lithuania. Now we have the newspaper headlines.
The Sangha Express. Naga Hoho against imposed settlement. Naga integration banner raised again. Neurosurgery ward of Jenims opened. Center hasn't shared anything on Naga peace talk, says Biren. Our ancestral land does not refer to land of cookies alone. Importance of centenary due stressed. Tim studies drought situation. The People's Chronicle. Cookie bodies decry order. Question government motive. Committee justifies inscription. CNPO opposes cookie event. Hells government. Work on longest rail tunnel in North is over by 60%. Chief Minister hopes PMVDVY transforms tribal economy. Imphal Free Press. Collective effort needed to boost healthcare. Janims equipped with neurosurgery ward. State Home Department order on Anglo-Kuki War incites public outcry. KIM appeals for immediate review of order. The Morning Bell. Anglo-Kuki War centenary celebration not to claim state as ancestral land, says KIM. Demands government to revoke order on memorial stones. Naga peace talks. NSCN involved in terror funding activities, says NIA. NEIDP reaffirms a stand against citizenship bill. 14 involved in Kainakatpa remanded to 15 more days in judicial custody. Thoubal DC, Thoubal and Kakching SP felicitated at Kangabok.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur total shutdown paralyzes life. One JESSIA Kadar killed, 2 hurt in on a factional gunfight. And death toll from Typhoon Hagibis in Japan reaches 61, 13 people still missing. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.